Talent Systems is proud to present Social Networks Recruiter Guide. Social Networks Recruiting Application, your gateway to the largest pool of potential candidates, Facebook, LinkedIn and Twitter. Using social networks will only intensify and grow with time. Soon, it will be the only way you can reach your target audience. Smart and branded advertisement of the organization's positions on the leading social networks. Locating and contacting potential candidates. Managing positions and applicants as needed. Integration capabilities with existing recruiting systems. The SNR application allows you to advertise your positions online in a branded fashion, keeping your organizational look and feel. The application allows you to design a position page that preserves your employer's marketing language, logo, and brand experience. Preparing the position page, you can insert an organizational logo and a background picture, choose representative colors, and combine slogans and marketing messages for the candidates. The position page is designed once, at the beginning of the work process, and it is then set as the permanent background for your branded position advertisement, where the position description appears. A quick and simple process for posting a position in one or more social networks using the SNR allows you to maximize your employees' existing potential as online ambassadors. With one click, you can post your organization's positions on the leading social networks groups, pages and personal profiles, and reach a vast pool of potential candidates. For this purpose, you build an organizational position advertisement network. This network is a combination of relevant groups, pages, and profiles, in which we want to advertise the organization's positions. So how is it done? How do you build a position advertisement network? The organizational network is established in 2 simple steps: connecting and defining the recruiting team, and inviting the organization's employees and managers. There are 3 types of profiles in the organizational network: recruiter, employee and fan. Employees and fans profiles enable, following users' approval, posting positions in their personal online pages. When the profile is defined as recruiter, we can post positions in pages and groups it runs as well, the company's Facebook page, or relevant professional groups. Using the Add Profile button, we will feed in the recruiter's information. Recruiters will be asked to grant their consent for the SNR application to post on their behalf on the different networks. Once a recruiter is set up, we return to the network settings page, where we can define the relevant groups for posting the organization's positions, in addition to the recruiter's personal page. This way we connect the entire recruitment team to the network. The main stage in the process is inviting employees and friends to give their consent to posting and to connect to the organizational network. An invitation will be sent via email, leading them to a posting authorization page. For employees and friends' convenience, and in order to allow them maximal control of the process, we let them decide in which network they are interested in posting. And which types of positions. The authorization can be revoked at any time at their request. We distinguish between an employee who works for the organization and a fan who is not an employee but gives his or her consent to posting, among other reasons, so that you can track the online employee referral program. Experience shows that for the move to be most effective, it should be accompanied by complementary organizational communication. As the number of profiles in our network grows, so will the number of accumulated potential exposures. The result, an almost infinitely distributable, simple and friendly organizational network. With one click, you can post the organization's positions on the different networks, in groups and pages, and reach a vast pool of potential candidates. With the SNR Social Networks recruiting application, we put the saying employees are our ambassadors to practice. Prior to the initial posting, you will be asked to set default settings for referring your applicants. Posting a new position. You can use these default settings, or change them. For each network, you will have to choose where to direct the users through the on-the-position post. Is it your designed and branded position page, or a different external web page? Additionally, you can define which mailbox to send the applicant CV. You can define your recruitment system email, or any other. Congratulations! You have finished the settings stage. Now you can begin posting your positions. Posting a position using the application on various networks is a quick, simple, and intuitive process. There are 4 simple steps in posting a position. The first step is feeding in a title for the position you would like to post, and the type of content to which it relates. The second step is deciding on which networks the post will appear. You can choose to use your default settings, or change them. The third step is determining the content of your post, the brief message posted online. You can phrase a different message for every network, so that it is most compatible with your target audience. This is also where you feed in the detailed position description, which will appear in your position page. The last step is watching the preview and summary of all the information you fed in. Pressing the Publish button will spread your post for all online potential candidates. The position will appear in all of the organizational network's profiles, groups, and pages. Now, potential candidates will be able to watch the job posting and continue directly to the position page, where they can submit their application and CV. Where is it better to post? Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter? Which types of positions should be posted on which network? The SNR application gives you answers to these questions and provides data that can be used as basis for evaluating each online posting's effectiveness and efficiency. On the position screen, you can follow the position posts on the different networks, know how many potential candidates entered the post online and reached your position page, and how many applied for the position. This data is presented separately for each position and each social network. The SNR application allows you to maximize existing potential in your organization's employees as online ambassadors. In this virtual world, each employee's wall is a potential career site for their personal and professional network. Making positions accessible to employees and their friends has never been so easy. In order to encourage the high-quality employee referral recruiting source and keep track of referring employees, the SNR application shows simply and easily from which profile the application was submitted, so that you can use this information in communication and recognition according to your organization's policy. The application's achievement screen displays who referred the most friends online, how many views each employee profile had gotten, was a position filled through an employee referral, what is the views to recruiting ratio, etc. This data can serve you in implementing recognition policy, the organizational communication, increasing employee motivation, participating in the employee referral program, and managing it online. The application allows active search of passive candidates and contacting them. The candidate's search process starts with choosing the social network on which to conduct the search, using your organizational network's members' contacts, followed by feeding in search criteria, keywords, region, occupation, etc. The application locates candidates matching the set criteria and displays a list of profiles. The list includes the located candidate's profile information, name, picture, the social network that referred them to the post, and additional profile information. You can choose for each of the candidates whether you want to add their details, send them a message, or match them with a specific position. The online recruiting revolution is already here. The SNR recruiting application will manage online recruiting from one single location for you, and will bring the entire organization to take part in the recruiting process, rather than just a recruiting team. So what are you waiting for? Connect now.